Ever felt drained despite a healthy diet? What if your gut bacteria are the secret keystone to energizing your body and fortifying your immunity defenses? Millions suffer low vitality and frequent infections because they neglect gut boosting nutrients. Today, discover 5 science backed tips to transform your gut health and supercharge immunity. Research reveals that the gut microbiome regulates both innate and adaptive immunity via microbial metabolites such as short-chain fatty acids, which modulate inflammatory cytokines and energy metabolism. Prebiotic fibers and probiotics support microbial diversity, improving barrier function and systemic resilience. These foundational insights emerged from landmark gut immune studies over the past decades globally. Regular consumption of a live culture yogurt introduces beneficial bacterial strains like a lactobacillus and a bifidobacterium, which can reduce pathogen colonization, enhance nutrient absorption, and support sustained energy release throughout the day, fostering digestive balance and immune vigilance. Prebiotic produces short-chain fatty acid and strengthens gut barrier integrity and modulates T-cell activity. Clinical trials report a 30% decrease in upper respiratory infections among probiotic users. Aim for 150 to 200 grams serving of a plain, unsweetened probiotic yogurt daily, ideally at a breakfast to synergize with a post-fast nutrient uptake. Alternatively, choose a high-quality supplement containing greater than 0.9 CFU if yogurt is not tolerated. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols that support beneficial microbes, reduce oxidative stress, elevate energy metabolism. These compounds also foster microbial diversity linked to sustained vitality. Polyphenols undergo microbial biotransformation into bioactive metabolites that modulate NF-κB pathways and enhance IgA correction. Intervention study report increased short-chain fatty acids production and improve immune markers. Include 1 cup of mixed berries daily, preferably with a breakfast or as a snack, to supply 200 to 400 mg of polyphenols. When fresh options are unavailable, use a frozen or a freeze-dried powder without added sugars. Combine berries into oatmeal or a yogurt bowl for added probiotic fiber and a texture. Probiotics like inulin and fructooligosaccharides selectively feed beneficial microbes, increasing gut diversity, producing energy-boosting metabolites, and reducing fatigue, thereby supporting mucosal defenses. Fermentation of probiotic fibers yields short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, which enhance mitochondrial function and regulate immune signaling. These SFAs also promote colonic blood flow and epithelial health. Randomized trials show that improved gut microbial richness and reduced dryness scores by 25%. Incorporate 5-10 grams of inulin powder or a chicory root fiber into smoothies or a yogurt daily, preferably in the morning, gradually increasing dosage to minimize bloating. Boost intake with the onion, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented veggies deliver live microbes and enzymes that enhance nutrient bioavailability and strengthen gut barrier defenses, translating into higher energy and immune vigilance. These microbial communities can out-compete pathogens and reduce inflammation. Lactic acid bacteria increase lactate levels, that fills clone sites and will modulate dendritic cell function. A meta-analysis showed probiotic-rich fermented foods improve antibody responses by 20%. Consume half cup of fermented vegetables with a meal daily, introducing them gradually to minimize bloating. For variety, try lacto-fermented carrots or beets if cabbage-based option cause discomfort. Serve chilled alongside protein-rich dishes to enhance palatability and digestive synergy. Fatty fish, flaxseed, and walnut supply omega-3 fatty acids that support gut microbial balance, reduce systemic inflammation, and increase mitochondrial efficiency for sustained energy. These fats also support neurotransmitter function, metabolic resilience. Omega-3 fatty acids modulate gut permeability and cytokine profiles via resolving pathways. Supplementation trial document enhance gut microbiota diversity and lower CRP levels by 15%. Consume 2 servings of a fatty fish, like a salmon or mackerel per week. Add 1 tablespoon of a ground flaxseed daily, or snack on a handful of walnut. Alternatively, use a daily fish oil supplement providing greater than 1 gram EPA and DHA. Circadian rhythm disruption. Eating at irregular times misaligned host circadian clocks with a microbial metabolite rhythm, leading to diminished production of short-chain fatty acids like butyrate that regulate regulatory T cells differentiation and inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines, ultimately weakening immune signaling and reducing steady energy output throughout the day, particularly in shift workers or late-night eaters. Low mitochondrial diversity. Diet high in refined sugars and sustained fats, while low in diverse plant fibers, especially common in a pasteurized diet. Drive microbial excretion events, reducing the abundance of Bacteroides and Firmicutes species that produce immunomodulatory metabolites, thereby diminishing both mucosal immune defenses and efficiency and energy harvest from dietary substrates. Optimizing gut health through probiotics, fermented vegetables, polyphenol, and omega-3 can simultaneously boost immunity and sustain energy by addressing root cause and adapting consistent meal, timing, mindful eating, and stress reduction rituals will lay the foundation for a durable wellness. If you found valuable, like, subscribe, and comment when your favorite tip below. For a personalized guidance, consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to tailor gut strategies to your needs.